Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here for another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to turn back on or enable a secondary monitor you may have disabled on your Windows 10 device. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is open up the search menu and you want to type in Device Manager. Best result should come back with Device Manager. Go ahead and open that up. And now you want to locate the section that says monitors in here. Go ahead and expand it. And then whatever monitor may have been disabled, right click on it and then select enable device. And that's all you have to do. So pretty straightforward process on that, guys. And as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.